Centre has banned 22 illegal betting apps, including controversial Mahadev book. In an order issued yesterday, Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology blocked all the 22 illegal betting apps. Mizoram will go to polls tomorrow to elect a new assembly. More than 8.57 lakh electorates, including 4,39,026 women, will decide the fate of 174 candidates. Results are scheduled to be announced on December 3rd. The filing of nominations will end today for Rajasthan Assembly elections. Several leaders from ruling Congress, BJP and other parties will submit their nominations today. A special Indian Air Force C-130 flight arrived in Nepal yesterday carrying the first consignment of emergency relief materials worth 10 crore rupees. A thick layer of pollutants continued to engulf the national capital as the air quality remained in the severe category for the fifth consecutive day today. As per the Central Pollution Board,